Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to PNC Mobile Banking account. So PNC is a financial banking system that offers a wide range of personal banking services including checking and saving accounts, credit cards, mortgage loans, auto loans, and many more. So now let me show you how you can simply log into your PNC Mobile Banking account. So first of all, you would have to install PNC Mobile Banking application on your iOS device or your Android device. Now, after the app has been installed, simply launch the application. Now, let's wait for some time until the app is loading. Now, once you come to the app's main interface, you'll see various options here. If you wish to sign in, you can simply tap on the option of Yes, I want to sign in, or you can choose other options if you don't have a user ID. So, once you come to this page, simply start by entering your user ID of your PNC Mobile Banking account. Here we go. Now you can also turn on the toggle for Save User ID so that next time you open the application, your login credentials will be saved to the application. Now, let's simply enter our PNC Mobile Banking account's password. Now, after you have entered your password, you can simply tap on the option of Sign In. And in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the option of Reset Password so that you can get procedures on how you can recover your account. Also, at the bottom, you can see various options like Enroll in case you don't have an account, or you can just tap on Help if you need certain help regarding your account. You can also tap on Locate or simply go to pnc.com, which is the bank's official website, and know more about the banking system of this bank. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to log in to your PNC Bank mobile banking. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.